Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in household solutions. Today, we're diving deep into the world of carpet care with a product that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Introducing the ZEP Premium Carpet Shampoo, a powerhouse in the realm of deep cleaning and stain removal. But what makes it stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, this isn't your average carpet cleaner. It's a concentrated formula designed for professional-grade results. With its pro-strength formula, it tackles even the toughest of stains and odors, leaving your carpets looking and smelling fresh. So, how do you use it? It's simple. Just dilute the concentrate with water, load it into your carpet cleaning machine, and let it work its magic. Whether you're using a Bissell, Hoover, or Rug Doctor, this shampoo is compatible with most pro and commercial machines. Now, you might be wondering, how does it stack up against the competition? Well, let's compare it to some other popular options. As you can see, the ZEP Premium Carpet Shampoo offers superior value for money, with customers praising its scent, effectiveness, and overall quality. So, if you're tired of battling stubborn stains and dingy carpets, it's time to upgrade to the ZEP Premium Carpet Shampoo. Trust me, your floors will thank you. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!